Look back at
Oh
it.
no!
But I think. Don't mind that, man. Welcome back to another day of just going out somewhere real quick. We just been kind of doing what we do. Went to the gym, got our workout in, and just been kind of cleaning up our areas, rooms. Trying to get my office space good, clean, aesthetically nice for like videos. I'm gonna do subscriber build videos and talk show, podcast kind of thing in the near future. I'll speak more on that in different videos or something. First, let me fix this shit. This thing, no matter what I do, it constantly comes undone. Or not comes undone, it just shifts every time. Try to keep it like this, but it just keeps moving no matter how tight I squeeze it. I mean, obviously I don't try to overdo it, you know? Fuck. As you can tell, I'm sweaty as shit, but it is hot in this garage. My car is still pretty warm from driving earlier. I'm gonna take out the oil pressure sensor. New one right here. And try to swap it out. Okay? Okay. It is fucking hot. These are a little pretty hot to touch, but we're gonna be back there. But I want to see how hot my headers are. Those aren't too bad. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just try to take it from the top. See if my long arms, my long buff arms could reach in there, you know. I forgot what size it is. It might be like a 22 or like a 24. Alright, go down up in here. Look back at
Oh
it.
no!
You know, we have to be in some kind of weird position sometimes to get them angles and not hurt yourself. You know, still kind of hurt. But yeah, we got this fucker out. I don't know. Threading seems a little thicker. Let's see if it even like maybe even screws in my hand. Alright y'all, so it kind of threaded in by hand, but it feels like it kind of stopped where, you know, the orange marking is or whatever. I'm just gonna slap some Mega Gray on this thing like it was before around it, so you know, seals, because this is something you don't want to tighten a lot. It's literally like hand tighten like a turn, or this will happen because I made that mistake. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back with a very anticipated video, because I left you guys off with a cliffhanger when I'm right about to start up the car. Big hype. Thank you guys for all the support. You guys have been killing it with subscribing, all the comments, all the positive feedback and thoughts and wishes on, you know, just the startup and the progress on this build. Welcome back. If you may know, some really good news that happened. The motor sounds amazing. It started right up. Sounds fresh. But some bad news and downside, I have to pull it out. I have to pull the motor out again, just enough to lift it out the engine bay. Homie Barry has to come by and do his magic to fix this oil leak that we're having. It's a real bad oil leak. I guess it's a common problem with these things. It's from the oil pressure switch, and it's from my own mistake from I guess over tightening, which I wasn't sitting there cranking it hard or nothing like that. I had a ratchet on it, I was using 2 fingers. I guess it happened, you know, the pop or whatnot. I just didn't notice, I didn't think about it. Shit happens, it sucks, it's unfortunate. Barry, he got my other TSX homie that you guys seen in the video on, the full bolt-on video. He tested out his tools, see if it would fit in there while it's in the car, and unfortunately, he said that I need to pull the motor out just enough, you know, out the engine bay so he could do his thing. I'll post some pictures that I took on my phone. It's like right where the oil pressure switch goes. It goes a little bit inside where the threading is and it's cracked under. It pours out oil once I start the car. I put on Teflon, it didn't work. And then after I took it out again, I noticed the crack, unfortunately. So he's gonna have to come in there and chop off a little bit, retap the threading, and I'm gonna have him install it this time so I don't fuck it up. But yeah, then after that we should be good money because the car started up, it sounded beautiful. Thankfully I didn't put any coolant in so I don't have to drain that out. It's just unfortunate that we got the motor in and we just had to pop it back out. So yeah, I'm gonna slap a little bit of this on, get it hand tightened and let it dry up, I guess. What is just gone? I feel like you have to get it just right. I feel like that's all I want to go.
Yeah.
Just a couple little half turns. I'm not trying to deviate if it does leak a bit. I could tighten it a little bit more, but not going crazy. And I'm gonna let that Honda bond that I put around dry up a bit. And maybe later, or actually tomorrow morning, I'll start it up and see if it's good. Your boy starts second shift tomorrow, so I'm having a whole different schedule. It's gonna be a whole different dynamic. It's gonna be a lot of change, as always. Like the last whole year has been a whole lot of change. But yeah, we're finally gonna get on a more of a consistent schedule because that's my, you know, shift, and probably will be for a little while. So yeah, we'll see how it goes and see how this schedule flows.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off, so high I cannot see.